Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually did my first fall look of the year, so I was super excited to do it. Of course, I had to go with a bold lip. I actually went a little pushy on the brows as well. Really like it. Anyway, stay tuned to check it out. So I'm starting off with eye primer. I'm using the Louise base in shade number 3. I'm going to use the Persona Cosmetics Color Theory Copper Palette. And I'm going to start off with the lightest shade. This is light brown. It's a nice crease color. I'm using the shade dark brown right on the outer crease. And with the shade called Brick, I'm just gonna blend these two colors together. I'm gonna go right underneath the crease with an ivory off-white matte shade, just to kind of tone down the colors that are right by my eyebrow, making the brown a little bit more intense. So I'm going to use the new Lorac cream shadows. This is the shade Velvet, and I'm going to kind of use this as a base as well as an eyeshadow. So with the Morphe M167, I'm just applying this all over the lid. And I'm going to go in with my finger to just blend the edges into my shadow. So I'm going to grab the shade Copper from the Persona palette, and with an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to go over the lid with that color. Now with this brown color from Persona, I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna give an overall smudged look, so you don't have to worry about doing like a perfectly straight line, because we're gonna go in and smudge that into the shadow. Using a flat smudge brush. So I'm using that same eyeliner on my lash line. And you can also go in the waterline too if you like that look. So I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. This is the shade 230. Now I don't know if this is my shade, so let's try it out and see what happens. I'm using the Sigma angled foundation brush. Ooh, I think this is too light for me. I'm gonna mix some Tom Ford Traceless Foundation in shade 6 Natural, so this should balance out my color. Alright guys, so I want to do a nice fluffy kind of brow. I don't want to say bushy. I think fluffy is a better term. I'm going to use this wax from Iconic, and it comes in with its little toothbrush, and I'm just going to brush that up. So I'm using this shade Soft Brunette from Hourglass, and I'm just going to follow the shape that the wax gave me, and just with natural brow strokes I'm going to fill it in, and I'm just kind of pointing it up so that we can have these natural hair strokes on top. I'm using the brow fiber from Hourglass. This is the shape. This is the shade Dark Brunette. I'm going to use the Nars Orgasm blush. It's going to give a nice shimmer and color to my cheeks. Was that well? Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Of course, let me know what you want to see next. And if you want to be really helpful, you can comment on what kind of look I can do for Halloween this year, because I've been brainstorming and I just can't figure it out. Let me know.